This is the second part of topic B, dealing with form properties. Properties are named attributes of controls, fields, and database objects that are used to modify the characteristics of a control, field, or an object. These attributes include characteristics such as size, color, appearance, or name of an object. Properties can also modify the behavior of a control, such as what data source it is connected to or whether the control is read-only or editable. Properties are displayed in a property sheet, sometimes called a property window. If I switch to my layout view of my form inventory, this is just an example. This form you're going to be you have created. I don't want you to do these steps because I don't want you to mess up your database. I only want you to do the steps that are performed in the activity files. All right, I hope I made that clear from the beginning. All right, so in layout view, if I go to my design contextual tab in my tools command group, here I have the option to display the property sheet. So I'm going to single click on that, and that opens up in the right hand pane of my screen. Now this property sheet has a whole lot of options. Changing fonts, sizes of controls, whether it is editable, deletable, viewable. There's so many that we can't go through every single one. You'll see a few examples of them in your activities. For now, I'm just going to show you the different tabs in your property sheet. It has 5 tabs going across: Format, Data, Event, Other, and All. The Format tab, these properties determine how a label or a value looks, such as font size, color, special effects, borders, and scroll bars. Your Data tab, these properties affect how a value is displayed and the data source it is bound to. The control source, input masks, validation, default value, and other data type properties. The event tab, event properties are named events such as clicking a mouse button, adding a record, pressing a key, for which you can define a response, and so on. Then you have your other tab. Other properties show additional characteristics of the control, such as the name of the control or the description that is displayed in the status bar. And then you have your All tab, which lists every single property for a specific field or control. So all of the options listed on these first 4 tabs are listed on the All tab. Again, so you'll be seeing a few of these examples in the next activity, which is going to be activity 4.4 for setting form properties on page 142.